Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. I'm just kind of standing over here against the wall because the table is currently occupied. I'm so excited. They're nearly done. As you can see, they're fully painted. I just finished touching them up today or this morning, and during Rook's nap, I'm planning on putting the first coat of finish on them. You guys know I've been waiting for this moment for so long. We're nearly done. Like, once these doors are on, the built-ins are done. They're like done for now. I think I've mentioned this, we've left it removable so that we can change the floor outs eventually. So because of that, we still have to put like a little bead of wood along the whole edge to make it like sealed against the wall. So we're not doing that until it's like ready to be in there permanently. But either way, they're nearly finished to the point that we can get to. I already have all of our board games and such piled up in the room, ready to get put in the cabinet. I'm hoping to get these installed by the end of the week, but we have a lot of coats of finish to put on them because with children slash child, there's going to be a lot of accidents, I'm sure, so I want a lot of coats to protect it from toys, heads, knees, whatever. What'd you find? Thank you. Rook is in a lot better of a mood today compared to last week, so that's been really nice. His little tooth is mostly in now. I always wonder when they stop feeling pain from a tooth coming in. It's like halfway through now. Thank you for finding garbage on the ground. I also have been really struggling with decorating the built-ins. I have stuff on them right now, as you can see. So, but I don't love the way everything's set up. Some areas are too sparse, some feel too cluttered, and it's not like I'm not getting the vibe I'm looking for, but I still have to buy some things I know to help, and I think remove some other things. I'm probably going to include all that in my like fireplace makeover video. But for now, it is what it is. It also has a lot of Christmas stuff on it right now, so I think after Christmas is over, that's when I'll really like put the effort into making it look how I want it to. What book are you reading? The Brave Little Turtle. Yeah. Fish. It was supposed to rain all day today, and it changed, and now it's just supposed to be overcast all day, so I'm happy about that. We're supposed to get another atmospheric river, so that's nice, but I think not till tomorrow now. Yeah, I need to make myself breakfast, but the kitchen is a disaster, so I'm debating whether I should clean the kitchen first or make food first. Yes, I am aware that soup is a weird choice for breakfast, but I quickly realized we don't have any food in the house. Or at least we're low on groceries, so maybe we'll do that today. I know you want to eat, but this is my lunch, or breakfast. You're gonna get lunch later. Okay, I finished my soup. I want to run out to the grocery store because I'd like to do it before Rook's nap, obviously. Do you have a balloon? So let's get going. Man, I really do not like grocery shopping. I get in there and I immediately want to leave. But anyways, let's do a little grocery haul. We got white onions, pancake batter, Alfredo sauce, instant noodles, olives, pizza sauce, brie, kids yogurt, kombucha, diced tomatoes, prosciutto, cereal, bagels, mushrooms, pasta sauce, berries, kids Tylenol, eggs, ground beef, paper towel, and wipes. Oh, and Rook is holding on to some potatoes too, but that's it. All right, time to put it all away. I decided to do cereal for lunch because it's only fitting with the whole soup for breakfast thing. Okay, Rook went to bed, and I need to get at least one coat of varnish on this. It's really annoying having to do both sides of something, but anyways, I'm gonna get started on that. Rook woke up over an hour earlier than he was supposed to, which is a little ironic because I was just saying to Josh yesterday how nice it is that Rook consistently sleeps 3 hours every day. So that's great. I was able to finish a coat of varnish, but I was hoping to get 2 on because you only need 2 hours between coats. That's okay, I'll just do some more coats after Rook goes to bed tonight. Hoping a little yogurt will fix his woes. How are you doing? You want your sleep sack off? Oh my gosh, you're the saddest boy that's ever lived. Yeah. Are you the saddest boy that's ever lived? I told you guys last week that I was going to give you a little bit of a gift guide for your kids. I really struggled with, on Rook's birthday, figuring out what toys to get him, but I feel like I have a lot of good stuff on the list for Christmas for him, so I want to share. And this also includes a variety of price points for whether this is for a friend of a friend's kid or your own child. So it wouldn't be a gift guide for me if I didn't mention Lovevery. I got a couple of these. Oh, I gotta get a knife for this. I got a couple of these for some people in my life. Yeah, Lovevery, hey? Sorry that I'm opening your presents for you, but you will get everything that's inside. So this one is the inspector. In this one we have the ball drop, the stacking cups, the single puzzle piece, some balls, the wicker basket, and we still use most of these with Rook right now, and I think this one is age 5 to 6 months, so they really last. Oh, here's everything here. Oh, it also comes with the pouring cup. Sorry, this one's 7 to 8 months. And then this one's the 5 to 6 month kit. Whoa, what do we got in here? The tissue box. Rook has loved this toy. And the spinning thing, the little bell socks, so cute. These toys are seriously my most recommended thing to give a child, like for a birthday, Christmas, or just for fun. So I'm super excited to give those to some people in my life. Moving on, let me look up my little list that I made and I'll pop some images on the screen. So Rook has been obsessed with my wallet lately, which was fine at first. But now he's learned to take the cards out, so when we're at a store, he wants to play with my wallet, I give it to him, and then he pulls all my cards out, and it's not great. So I found a little kid's wallet online, and it comes with cards, money, coins, that's the same thing, and I think he's really gonna love playing with this. I'm gonna keep it in the car and bring it into stores with us, so he'll play with that instead of mine. I also really wanted to get him like fidgety toys that'll like gears, things that turn, things that feel weird. So there's a couple of busy boards. Those are a great option. Some of them are really affordable, some of them are a bit more pricey, so it's whatever you can afford. And then there was also this little cheese threader, which I thought was super cute. Again, really affordable. And I think it's something that's gonna like really keep his mind busy. Oh, I was also specifically looking for toys that don't have a lot of pieces because we have a lot of toys with a lot of pieces and I feel like I can only put one of those out at once. Otherwise, there's just too much stuff everywhere. And then I found this little thumb piano, which I thought would be a really good musical gift for him that isn't too noisy or too many pieces, like I said. So yeah, that's what I got. I hope that helps you guys figure out what to get your children. It is really hard finding good toys that are open-ended but still will entertain your child enough. I don't know, I think we're in this in-between stage where like he's not at the point to play pretend and make a story up with toys, so he still needs something that kind of has a purpose that like guides him through play a little bit. Now, there was a little DIY project I wanted to do while he was napping. Not gonna happen, so I'm gonna try and do it now. Okay, so I bought these bottle brush trees from IKEA and you know, they're great and all, but with my built-ins being black, they kind of just disappear on the shelf. So I bought this spray on snow, and I wanted to like flock them, but then this specifically says that it's not for flocking, which I was very confused about. And what I figured, because I tried it, is it's not like glue, like it sprays on snow but then it can wash off is the whole idea. So I figured that I could still spray them and I guess wash them at the end of the season when I pack them up. I don't know. I'm gonna do it and we'll see how it goes. And with it being washable, I can do it inside and not worry about like accidentally painting my house. Okay, I'm obsessed with this. Like, it just stands out so much more. And like I said, my placement of things is questionable, but look how freaking cute those trees are. You couldn't see them before. Okay, so the sun is setting and I'm gonna lose daylight in like a half hour. So I'm gonna end the vlog off. I think maybe I'm gonna try and starting the vlogs earlier in the day to make up for it. So yeah, like I said, that's where I'm ending it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.